Alright, hello everyone. This is a Hampton Montgomery 2 ceiling fan installed in my dog's room in our house. We bought this fan at Home Depot in September 21st of 2025. This replaced a Hampton Bay Sinclair ceiling fan. It was something else. It was like a Hampton Bay Sinclair, but it had different light shades, so it was a turn of the century. But unfortunately, the reason why we removed that and put this up because the old one had issues, like the pull chain's been breaking off, and I tried to fix it, but it wouldn't work, so we decided to get a new ceiling fan. Anyways, this nice looking fan. It's a 3-blade fan. It has a single light kit with 2 lights inside. And there's my dog chewing a toy. His name is Rory. So here's the top of the motor. You can't flush mount it because it's sort of like an industrial style fan. Here's the reversing switch. This is like what you see on industrial fans. It looks like an industrial but with wood blades. Industrial fans have metal blades. Alright, on to the demonstration, starting with the light. Whoops! Wrong chain. There's light. That works. You saw that. I pulled the wrong chain. It's got 2 daylight LED bulbs in there. Turn it off. Turn the fan on. We'll start up on low. Yeah, I got these chains from the shop light. On the shop lights downstairs. This one goes a little faster than the 5-blade ones I recorded. I have a few of them, but I just like to record these ones. This one, the Glendale 3, and the Farmington. Alright, now I'll crank it up to medium. We put that plaster up because that way the fan wouldn't wobble too much, but it does wobble. And now I'll crank it up to high. You can see the shadows because I had the flash on because we don't have a lamp in here. The only light we have is on the ceiling fan. This thing moves a lot of air. And my dog looks like he's really liking it. Oh, and he just yawned. You saw it. Yeah, when we first got the fan, like when I recorded the new dog yawn, he was looking at the fan because it was on high. This thing is very fast. And we'll turn off by the switch. And that's it. A Hampton Bay Montgomery 2 ceiling fan installed in my dog's room in our house. Thanks for watching.